Hi, this is Aldo. Last time we learned about what is the postposition, why prepositions are used so often, and 있는. So today we are going to learn about the most basic postpositions 이가 and the difference between 있는 and 이가. So firstly, we will look into 이가. Similar to 있는, 이가 also applies the makeup effect to another make it into a subject. Again, 이가 at the end of neun makes a subject with the makeup effect. Neun plus 이가 results in a subject as well. Remember that an easy way to distinguish the subject in a passage is by using the neun plus 이가 method. 이 is used in nouns with a 받침, and 가 is used in nouns without a 받침. For example, 방탄소년단, 치킨, 집, 옷 has a 받침 and therefore uses 이. 아버지, 저, 너, 김치 has no 받침 and therefore uses 가. Let's find the subject in the passage below. In passage 1, 방탄소년단이 미국에 왔어요. What is the subject? That's correct. As mentioned above, using the noun plus 이가 structure, we can see that the subject here would be 방탄소년단. In passage 2, 블랙핑크가 노래를 불러요. What is the subject? That's correct. As mentioned above, using the noun plus 이가 structure, we can see that the subject here would be Blackpink. In the last passage, 선생님이 수업을 안 해요. What is the subject? That's correct. As mentioned above, using the noun plus 이가 structure, we can see that the subject here would be the 선생님. So did this help you understand? Let's take a few minutes to try for yourselves. Find the subject in the passage below. In short, 있는 and 이가 are both the makeup for a noun. What would the difference be? I believe not many Koreans would know this either. This is because no one ever think we need to differentiate the two. So unless you are someone who wants to perfectly speak Korean, just keep in mind the differences of the two, but there is no need to stress over it. When you want to put an emphasis on the subject, use 이가. For more descriptive words, use 있는. When you want to compare something, use 있는. Lastly, 이가 is for descriptive objective words, and descriptive subjective words use 있는.